Good afternoon, everybody. It's Alex again with Master Odor Removal. There I am. We're servicing this absolutely beautiful condo here next to the, it's Bal Harbour, right next to the Ritz Carlton. Anyway, this is a beautifully furnished unit. We're going to go ahead and service for tobacco. We're going to go ahead and service the ceiling, obviously all the floors, the walls where we have walls. We are going to go ahead and service these blinds just because on a scale of 1 to 5, this is about a 1, maybe a 1.5. It's already been purchased and they're going to be painting after our service, which is the smart thing to do. Here's the kitchen you can see here, hallway. Just another luxury property serviced by Master Odor Removal. They're going to be removing all the pillows and all the linens here in this master bedroom. And it's real strong in here. It's actually a level 3 in here. But we're going to go ahead and service that. The ceiling again, which is much higher. We're going to do those valances against the drapes. We probably will put some chemical on the drapes, but the linens, the real estate agent is actually in the front room. He's going to stay here while we're servicing it. Super nice guy. He knows that we can't service this heavy wood furniture, that we're not going to treat that at all, but we will treat the floor in here really well. We'll use our first step process here in the master bath to service the ceiling area, inside the shower, and then of course inside the bathroom area where it tends to be very prevalent. We'll see how much tar drips out of the ceiling. See how strong it is in here actually. Again, about a 1 or 1.5 as far as strength. 3 here in the bedroom, and I think it's because of these linens. They're just holding on, and the drapes are holding on to the odor. But just an absolutely beautiful home. Walk-in closet. I think there's another bedroom. Yes, there's another bedroom here. Guest bedroom, whatever they call it. And you can see this. This is for Trenier and Prince. You can see that our business takes us everywhere. Just absolutely beautiful. Anyway, we're not going to service the linens in here or the artwork. We never service original artwork. We can't. A nice closet again with some more pillows and a big thick mattress of sorts that needs to be thrown away. The new owner has actually purchased it unfurnished, so I'm not sure what's happening with the furniture. This is the AC system. We've already started to set up. We're going to treat the coil, which is back here around the corner where my hand is. You can hear it with our second step process to make sure it smells fresh and clean. All right, and that'll be when we're almost finished after the floors have been serviced. Laundry room area will service as well. So 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. I'm not quite sure what this is. Okay, just a storage closet. We'll treat in there just to be sure, but there's a lot of different things in there. Typically, we would take down this beautiful artwork off the walls, and we still might do that because it doesn't need to be staged so that we can service the walls themselves behind it. We will not service the artwork. This is a print. It's paper. There's no way that we would put water or a chemical on that. Looks like Salvador Dali. Anyway, really beautiful. So that's really basically it. Again, we are luxury condo odor removal specialists here in South Florida and across the United States. And we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.